My name is Edson Williams. I'm the founder of Lola Visual Effects. We are the premier vendor to Hollywood studios to change the on-screen appearance of an actor. For us, the primary challenges in media and entertainment is the explosion of data size. Every time it expands, our workload expands with it. And then on top of that, we're needing our 60 Flame digital artists from all over the world to not only access these huge files, but also collaborate with them in real time. After we evaluated all our options, we chose VAST because of the scalability, the performance, and the value. We immediately started to see the impact of VAST. With their global namespace, we've been able to essentially make all our data accessible anywhere it is needed. And then the 2-to-1 reduction rate has allowed us to store more data than we had first thought. So the return on investment was faster than we had even guessed. Initially, we were anticipating 24 to 36 months, and it's going to be closer to 15 to 18 months before the VAST system pays for itself in increased productivity. The media and entertainment industry is going through a generational change. VAST is allowing Lola to embrace these changes, make us more productive and more profitable.